Amazon gift cards are still the fastest reward option on most earning apps because they usually have lower redemption requirements than PayPal or bank transfers. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps that make Amazon gift cards easy to earn, which ones are fastest, and which ones are better for bigger balances. The fastest one to start with is Swagbucks.t. This app has one of the biggest reward systems out there. You can earn through surveys, cashback, videos, and offers. Amazon gift cards are one of the main redemption options, which makes it easy to cash out without waiting too long. Second is Unite Fetch. Fetch is simple. Scan your shopping receipts, collect points, and redeem for Amazon gift cards. The reason it works well is that it turns everyday purchases into rewards without changing your shopping habits. Third is Misplane. This one pays you for playing mobile games. If you already spend time gaming, this is one of the easier ways to build gift card rewards without doing surveys. Now, the survey-heavy apps. Inbox Show combines surveys, paid emails, and offers. Like Swagbucks, it gives multiple ways to earn, which makes building toward gift cards faster. Rhyme Opinion is growing fast because of its clean survey system and easy reward options. Amazon gift cards are one of the most commonly used redemptions here. Survey Junkie stays strong because of consistency. It's mostly surveys, but the platform is easy to use and reward tracking is simple. Then there's MyPoints.me. This one works like a hybrid. You can earn from shopping, surveys, and deals, and Amazon gift cards are a major part of the reward catalog. Here's the part that matters. The fastest way to earn gift cards is not using one app. It's stacking. Use Fetch after shopping. Use Swagbucks for surveys and cashback. Use Misplane when you're gaming. That keeps rewards building from different angles. It also reduces downtime when one app runs out of offers. Quick recap. Best overall. Swagbucks und Best for receipts. Best for gaming. Misplane. Best survey backup. Rhyme Opinion and Survey Junkie. The practical next step is simple. Install 2 apps today, one survey app and one passive app like Fetch or Misplay, and aim for your first Amazon gift card this week. That gives you the fastest test of what actually works. If this helped you find a faster path to free Amazon credit, like the video and subscribe for more.